That was terrific. Yeah, I just needed something to catch your attention. So before we get straight into this video, I want you guys to help me do something. I want you to help me like this video, comment something awesome you love about this video, subscribe to the channel if you've not, and then also share this video. Now what this helped me do as a small creator is it helps me get more reach and visibility, so the YouTube algorithm does not my channel. All right, so we're going to go straight into the unboxing video now. Before we do that, please help me do what I just mentioned earlier. Okay, so let's go. Alright, I'm also getting tired and bored of the whole unboxing, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to change or switch the whole thing up, and what we're going to do right now is that we are going to create B-rolls together for this monitor. How are we going to do that is we're going to feel the presence of the B-roll. That sounds crazy, right? But we're going to do that together, and then when you watch these B-roll clips, let me know in the comment section on what you actually think about the B-roll. Don't forget, earlier I said you should like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you've not. Also share the video. Catch you later. Yup, now you've watched the whole clip, and I hope you're satisfied with what you just saw. So if you're not, maybe you should actually consider watching the video. So when you do that, it's going to boost your satisfaction. So for now, I'll leave you and I'll catch you in my next video.